Hi students, the today topic that we are going to learn about is the states of matter, and it's a very important and in the same way it's very interesting topic, right? So discover the fascinating world of the three primary states of matter, that is solids, liquids and gases. So explore how these fundamental forms of matter shape our universe and the everyday objects around us. So gas, liquid and solid, these are some forms of the matter, right? That matter exists in three forms: solids, liquids and gas, as you can see here, right? So everything around us is a matter, whatever that may be in the form of solid, liquids or in the form of gases, right? So let's understand that solids, liquid, and gas one by one. So there are some fixed properties of these states of the matter. So solids have a very fixed shape and volume with tightly packed molecules that vibrate in place. Now you can see in upcoming slides that why these have a tightly packed molecules and have the fixed shape and volume, right? And the same way liquids have a fixed volume but take the shape of their container with molecule that can flow freely, right? As in gases have no fixed shape or volume with widely spaced molecules that move randomly. So students, you can delete these examples from your daily life. For example, solids have examples like wood, right? And cube box, and liquids have water. You can take many examples of liquids. Gases, we inhale oxygen, exhale carbon dioxide. So these are the forms of the states of the matter. Now let's move to understand deeply that what these properties contribute and how they form the states of matter. Right? So, in solids, particles are closely packed and vibrate in fixed positions due to strong intermolecular forces holding them together. So, here's a detailed discussions on these characteristics and some examples of solids. So, let's talk about the particles arrangement and the movement. So, in the solid particles, atoms, molecules, and ions are arranged in a regular and orderly manner. So this arrangement results in a fixed structure where each particle occupies a specific position relative to its neighbor. So vibration in fixed position. So despite being closely packed particles in solids, they do not have free movement. Instead, they vibrate around their equilibrium positions due to thermal energy. So these vibrations are small and do not allow the particles to change position significantly. So now let's see the examples of the solids and their characteristics. So metals are the examples. They are characterized by a crystalline structure, where metal atoms are tightly packed in a regular pattern. So examples include iron, copper, aluminum, right? And metals are known for their high conductivity, strength, and shiny appearance. Second examples, we have ionic solids, which consist of positively and negatively charged ions held together by strong electrostatic forces. Examples include sodium chloride, right, calcium carbonate, and potassium iodide. So they are typically hard, brittle, and high melting points. Third example from the covalent network solids. So these are made up of atoms linked together by covalent bonds in a continuous network structure. And the examples include diamond, right, in which carbon atom bonded in a tetrahedral lattice, and quartz. They are extremely hard and high melting points and are often non-conductive. Now, next we have molecular solids that consist of molecules held together by intermolecular forces such as hydrogen bonds, van der Waals forces, right? Examples are water, ice, and sucrose, which is the table sugar. So they have lower melting points compared to ionic or covalent solids and can be soft or brittle depending on the substance. Now let's talk about the characteristics. I hope you understood till now. So we have some of the important characteristics of the solids. So it has definite shape and volume. They maintain their shape and volume because of the, I already told you, strong forces between particles that resist movement. And it have low compressibility, that due to the close packing of particles, solids are not easily compressible. हम इनको compress नहीं कर सकते. And the high density, they have high density because of the tightly packed particles. So understanding these characteristics, I hope you it helps in comprehending the behavior of solids, right? So I hope you understood about the solids. So for the next, we will discuss about the liquids and the gases. So till then, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay. So thank you so much.